Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix keyboard lag on iPhone problem. So the very first fix is go to settings and reset keyboard dictionary. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. From here select reset keyboard dictionary, tap on it, enter your passcode, enter your passcode again. Now tap on reset dictionary to reset it. Now the second fix is turn off predictive text. Go to settings again, tap on general again, this time tap on keyboard. Now from here you'll get this option predictive text, turn it off, and after turning it off disable mini features. So from here turn off unnecessary mini features on your keyboard. So for example auto correction, this and every mini features which you don't require, turn it off. And if this also does not fix your problem, the fourth fix is try Gboard. So for this go to App Store. If you don't have internet connection, turn it on and go to App Store. From here search Gboard. It is a Google app, so just download it. After downloading, open it, and from here tap on keyboard settings, and from here you can enable these features. So that's it. That's how you will fix keyboard lag problem. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.